Are you tired of running low on time in the morning? Introducing the Elite Gourmet EHC9420 Automatic Brew and Drip Coffee Maker with Pause and Serve Reusable Filter. This coffee maker is designed to make your mornings easier and more enjoyable. With its semi-transparent water reservoir, you can easily see how much water you have left for brewing. It can hold up to 5 cups of water, ensuring you always have enough for yourself or a small group of people. And with the water level indicator, you'll never have to worry about running out. The 5-cup glass carafe is perfect for brewing the ideal quantity of hot, fresh coffee. Whether it's just for you or for a small gathering, you can brew the perfect amount every time. But what if you're in a rush? No problem. The Pause and Serve feature allows you to sneak a cup of fresh coffee in the middle of brewing. So even if you're short on time, you can still enjoy your favorite beverage. Not only is this coffee maker convenient, but it's also environmentally friendly. The swing-out basket comes with a reusable filter, eliminating the need for paper cone filters. Not only does this reduce waste, but it also saves you money on additional filters. And let's not forget about simplicity. The simple on-off switch with a power indicator light makes it easy to operate. No need for complicated programming or settings. Just switch it on and enjoy your coffee. Please note that this coffee maker is designed for use in the US. If you're using it internationally, you may need an adapter or converter. So please check compatibility before making your purchase. So why wait? Start your day off right with the Elite Gourmet 5-cup coffee maker. Compact, sleek, and efficient, it's the perfect addition to your kitchen, office, dorm room, or even your recreational vehicle. Say goodbye to those long coffee shop lines. With this coffee maker, you can enjoy a cup of joe on the go.